Okay, how to install AnyDesk on your computer. Step 1, open the browser. You can immediately go to Google, whichever browser you want you are having on your computer is also fine. Google Chrome or Google. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using uh, Google Internet Explorer or Edge. Okay, so once you have found Google, you will type AnyDesk, no space in between. You can even add download if you like, but Google will obviously suggest that. Then once you find Google, AnyDesk, you can either go to their website or you can, yeah, let's go to their website, the second one that you find there. Then you'll find download is the first thing you see there. Immediately you just click on download. You don't have to put in your email address. It will immediately start downloading. So just pay attention to that. Okay, once that opens up, you immediately click open, or you can go to the folder and then you'll find it in your downloads, and then immediately you double click on it and the menu will pop up, and then you just simply click allow and you are done with the installation. And if you want a person to connect to your computer for assistant or a technician to actually connect, you provide them with this address right here. Okay, best of luck. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.